tak dopluję na ciebie. I back to the business.
Back to the product. Where are they? Can you find them?
Chicken. Kumbek is here, motherfucker. Kumbek is here. Don't believe it.
Don't provoke me, my friend. Don't provoke me. You know I can do this. Easy.
Easy peasy. Talk, man. Talking quickly. Hello.
My friend, I don't know how to do it.
I can't focus. I know where are you. I told you. I am ready, man. I show you who I am. I am from Poland. Let's spray. Life is life. Mam nadzieję, że kiedyś się spotykamy. Man. My friend. Co ty, gość? Nie obrażaj rodziców. Przestań. No chance. No chance.
No fear.
No, this is shit. Not this time. No. Now I'm talking to you, my friend. Ty, tam ojca wołasz? Okej, no problem.
Only I can say that.
Please, powiedziałem ci, ziomek. Pozdrawiam cię, ziomek.
Pushing everything. This is real, bro.
Relax, my friend. It's only game. So lucky. So, what now? Trzymaj tak kciuki, panowie.
What are you doing?
What?
Where are they?
Yes, where are you, my friend? Yes, where are my friend? You're so fast. You can kick them or no? You cheating. Zabijam to, trzeba i wychodzę. Ziomuś, będziesz zwykłym hamem z Polski.